Really forgot what we ordered. Damn, that's funny.
That is funny. Get ready, homie. Get ready.
Okay, happy face. My little friend.
That's great.
I'm recording too.
I think we all are.
Salt and pepper. You want to try to catch your rice? Good? Good.
I'm bringing it back.
You want to try that? All good? Really? Chin up. Chin up, here. Want to try that? You good?
Get I caught it while I was going over. I was like, lost on that little bit of rice.
Skinny your recipe. That is skinny your recipe.
Nah, we're not what's your point?
Skinny your recipe.
Let me skinny recipe.
Skinny your recipe. Japanese joking. Japanese joking.
Oh, they want to learn. Oh. Come on, Ali. That's okay.
Here we go.
Yeah, buddy. Get ready for it, man. I'm fixing to sneak here and grab my bowl. I can film and eat at the same time. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Someone else did. Oh my God. Hot, hot, hot. But good.
I know you. Tell me on the. I've been watching on this.
Okay, ginger sauce is for vegetables and seafood.
That's cool.
Jam jam is for meats.
We'll let that cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I do that to chicken.
Yum.
I like that. Mark, yellow, higher. Sour.
Yeah. It's all right, boo. We're gonna get it off. Sure. Here we go, y'all.
I like it.
Get ready, Kenneth.
When you go to Europe, do it. Yeah, when you go to Europe, do it.
Okay, fire volcano.
Oh.
Fire. Smoking volcano. Choo-choo train.
It's smoking. Like a. That's awesome.
think that's your ♂
I think so.
It is. It's gonna be beautiful, man. You liked it? Yeah, it is. Oh well, you can have some left over at home. Because you know me, I'm not going to eat all this. Whee! That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's the stuff. You're going to love it.
Yeah, I know that.
See, they ordered it. Look like they're taking off with your shrimp, homie. You should have ordered shrimp, huh? Oh, look. Oh, thank you. That was sweet.
Yeah, you want one?
I'm gonna get
Try one. Sure? Yeah, you want to try it? Right. 𝘿𝙤𝙣𝙩𝙗𝙗 enough for both of us.
do you want one of mine?
I'm ready for that tofu, homie. See that white cubes over in the corner? That's mine. That white in the corner there. Yeah, buddy. That's what's up. Have you ever tried tofu? Have you ever tried tofu? Yes, ma'am.
I don't think so.
You should try it. It's delicious. You can have some of mine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look how beautiful your steak looks, Jay. He's cooking it to perfection. Smells wonderful. We'll move my bowl. I want to be ready for this deliciousness. There we go. Yum. Ooh-wee. Ooh, look at that, Jay. Look at that. Yeah, I would. You'd burn yourself. Yum. You need to try some of that. There you go. Don't burn yourself.
Give it your wife.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Blow on it.
Blow on it, but it might be hot.
Right. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
Nice. There it is. There it is, y'all. Yum. try one. Thank you. Did you give Kenneth one? You give Kenneth one? Okay. He did?
No, I didn't. Kenneth, you want to try some?
Here, try one of these. That is filet mignon.
Thank you.
Real one.
Oh, Jason, that's heavenly. That's perfect, too. Yum. Ooh, yeah. That is really good. There we go. Yummy. That's beautiful, y'all. Beautiful. Yum. Ooh, thank you, thank you. That looks delicious. Perfect. Yeah, Kenneth, stab you one of these cubes and try it. You'll like it.
It's tofu.
That's soybeans mashed up. You can make it taste like whatever you want.
That's actually way better than I expected. Like, it's really good.
I know. It's my favorite.
Any cheese there? Any cheese?
Oh, yeah. Here, Jay, will you pass this to Daddy by the handle? There you go. Thank you. Let me get you one of these. Well, don't eat. I have to fight it, Jay. Right.
You want any chicken?
You want some chicken? Yeah? There you go. Stab that joker. Woo!
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.